YouTube, it's Abby and I have been drawing in my history homework book. That's the one. That's a dinosaur. Dino. Fantasy hat. I love that. Skipped a page. Random. No. Just a trolling grandma. I can't get it. Love Smexy. Just got a message. Oh, don't need to say that. That's who I'm going to be going out with soon. So you're going to ask me out on New Year's Day Eve. So exactly 12 o'clock at night. Because he really likes me. So he wants to make it romantic. Don't know what to draw, man. Cause now when I'm recording, I'm going to draw something really rubbish, right? It's a blank page. Let's see what we shall draw. Nothing to draw, really. We'll try to draw a random thing. I don't know what the hell that is. Oh, I tried to draw a candy cane. I used to love to eat these at Christmas. Nobody used to like them. Every time when my mum used to buy them, I used to be the one who used to eat them all. Because nobody liked them. Yeah, it's kind of a weird candy cane. Weird. Try again underneath it. Don't know what they look like. Considering I used to eat them a lot. Oh well. It's just a lot of random stuff. Yeah, it looks kind of rubbish, but choose. Oh, I draw a castle. Just like gonna work. No. I know what I can do. Oh, it's all gone in. No, I want to do that one. Just eyeshadow. Take that out. Nothing to really use to spread it off about. Does that work? No, I thought not. So, could use this, but it's a little bit sticky from the lip gloss. Let's see if it works. So, I have no idea what I'm going to be doing. Don't ask. Whoa. You can hear random people next door laughing. La 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 la. That's not good stuff. Let's see. How old am I? 13, mate. You're 20. Now go away. That was meant to happen. See what happens. What I do. Delete the message. Oh days. That didn't sound healthy. Is it okay? I'm just gonna look at it. Epic. This is going to fail. Oh yeah, never try to outrun a person who's like nearly the fastest in school in not cats and robbers, police and robbers, what do you call it? Robbers and police. I don't know. Probably cats and robbers. Yeah, cats and robbers, that's it. Cats and mice? Cats and mice, no, I don't know. Just don't try to outrun him. If you're a girl, don't try to outrun him. Because he just grabs you by his hair. By your hair. And then he wins. So, yeah. Hurts. It's going to look epic. It's going to fail. Where? Oops. And dot on my wall now. Ugh. It's up in the air and landed on the bed, but no, stupid. Oh, not good. Ooh, it's getting a little finger. Oh my days, I can't get in the bottle. Right. Get my tissue from my nose. And this is that good. I can't draw. I'm going all over the place. I shouldn't really use. Oh, that's what I was doing. Doing a castle, wasn't I? Getting carried away. Wrong message. Go away. What am I doing? Castle. Let's see. Just try to start with. Oh, let's start. Straight line, right? Let's just go down. Oh, to the black dot. Oh, I did it. Now I'm going to go across. And then go up. Because it's not a straight line. I should really be using a ruler, but I don't want to. This doesn't really look like a castle. It looks like a house. Yeah, I'll do a house. Doorbell ding dong. We gone shine. Mantle needs to be cracked. Yeah, it's just not the best house I've ever done because I haven't done it with a ruler. What number should it be? Number 1. 1111. And do a little path. Woohoo! Do a swing shit. I'm doing this really fast, so it's gonna be really rubbish. Oh, it's really small. Yeah, they're not on the same level. Let's put them on the same level. That's no circles. The best one that I think I've done so far is the Odyssey Heart. Gotta go now, guys. Bye.